Namaste, Jai Shri Ram. Today I am going to tell you about Reiki Level 2 course structure and course method. If you want to learn Reiki, then block your seat now. Our Reiki Level 2 course structure includes knowledge of key crystals, purifying crystals, knowledge of symbols and its uses, drawing of symbols with hands, third eye and crystal, meditation, inviting Reiki, Reiki with hands, charging of hands with symbols, putting symbols on crown, Reiki with crystals, cleaning of aura, cleaning and charging of chakras with crystals, how to make WISHBOX, grid and wish slips, how to connect grid to the universe for constant healing, Egyptian camphor purity lamp, how to protect yourself with symbols, mala, how to charge water, food for good health, how to protect plants, your vehicle, your house, power of positive affirmation, finally closing Reiki practice. This is followed by personal participant attunement for level 2. Our Reiki level 2 course method includes first starting with the course content by recorded video which is self-paced for participant to watch anytime, anywhere. Second is a live video call attunement session of 1 to 2 hours. During the session, the Reiki faculty gives energy to all the chakras of the participant and stabilizes Reiki level 2 symbols in all the chakras of the participant forever. Third step is for the participants to get Reiki level 2 practitioner certificate. Last step is for the participants to practice level 2 Reiki for 21 days at home.